Whoa.
Whoa? Whoa what?
According to this guidebook, there's an enormous devil chipmunk painted on the ceiling of the lobby.
I don't see anything.
Made you look.
Oh, real mature.
The book also says there's a secret room full of gold and candy that only appears if you scream the password.
What's the password?
I'm a stinky fart head.
Okay, that's obviously another lie.
Are you willing to take that chance? I mean, really willing? What if I'm telling the truth? You'll miss out on gold and candy for basically no reason. No, you have to scream it. Scream it!
I'm a stinky fart head! You are the worst kind of villain. Your shoes are untied.
No, they aren't.
Oh God, what's that behind you?
A violin.
Pull my finger.
You mean the one with the big spider on it?
Get it off! Get it off! Get it off!
This is just too easy.
I've had enough of him for one lifetime. Thanks. Ooh, are those donut holes?
Mud balls. Want one?
Ooh, what's in a mud ball?
Mud.
I'll pass. You're really just standing here eating balls of mud?
You haven't heard of the Cruise Link diet? You can eat anything you want, as long as it's balls of mud. The doctor who invented it is back there in the theater.
So have you lost any weight?
The Cruise Link diet isn't so much about weight loss as it is about...
eating balls of mud?
Now you're catching on.
I'll, leave him to his mud balls. Those are some seriously stylin' duds. Those are some serious... Excuse me, Mr...
Cruise Link. Dr. Cruise Link. Can I help you?
My legs feel all mushy. I need a prescription for Melaskia before it's too late.
Likely a mild case of syphilis.
Indeed.
Indeed. I recommend 6 iodine tablets and a week's bed rest.
Dang it. Oh, I fell off a horse and my lung popped. Surely Melaskia is the only cure.
A popped lung usually unpops itself within a day or two.
Indeed.
Indeed. Weak tea and a 4-hour headstand should accelerate the healing process.
Oh, come on. Oh, I just pooped out my brain. I need Melaskia now.
Hardly. A good bloodletting should get your humors back in alignment.
Indeed.
Indeed. Come by my office tomorrow. I'll prepare the leeches.
Amazing! I'm suddenly cured. And I'm nauseous. It's a bunch of random papers. I'm not sure if any of them are useful. What did you two think of the show?
Oh, it was simply exhilarating. I feel so alive. Don't you, Mortimer?
Yes, Angelica, so alive. I feel as if I could sing. Like the stars in the sky.
And the stars in your eyes. You're the light of my life.
Bravo, I guess. So, I'm trying to help this Ludwig van Beethoven guy, and I was wondering...
I do not know.
He does not know.
I do not know
Who that is.
Yep. This got annoying real quick. Could you please answer just one question without bursting into song?
Of course.
Have you seen a crazy little scientist sneaking around the neighborhood? Oh God, here it comes.
I have not seen.
He has not seen.
I have not seen a
Crazy
little
scientist.
Thanks. Oh no. Never again. I'm not sure how those go together.
Hey, Doc, you think I could have that Malakia prescription now?
Good heavens! An acute facial dysmography! Oh, this affliction is far beyond my ability to treat. Here, enjoy one last beverage before your head blows up. My condolences.
Thanks.
Ha! I haven't pulled that trick since my organic chemistry final. Were you at the concert?
The concert, yes.
So...
The concert.
Well...
Good.
Welcome, sir.
Give me the strongest thing you...
The Malask.
Whoa.
The last...
What, like a stop?
They am...
Cool. I'm good for now.
I am...
One Malaskia, please. Oh, here's my prescription.
Very good, sir. Before I make this, however, I am required to inform you of the following disclaimers. Malaskia is not recommended for consumption by the ill or infirm. Do not drink Malaskia with other forms of alcohol. Do not drink Malaskia before or after operating a threshing machine. Do not drink Malaskia in the vicinity of a fountain or decorative clock. Do not drink Malaskia in Spain. Do not drink Malaskia during an existential crisis. Do not spell Malaskia. Do not drink Malaskia upside down. Do not think that drinking Malaskia somehow makes you better than Malaskia. If Malaskia asks you a question, do not answer. And finally, do not drink Malaskia. Do you acknowledge and accept these disclaimers, sir?
Yeah, whatever. Gimme.
The shuffler wants nothing to do with that caustic swill.
How the heck did you...
Easy.
When did they...
I don't...
You... I'm not sure how those go together. Here you are, Mr. Shuffler. It's the bartender's latest creation, the, Alice. Subversively sweet, with notes of dolphin and basement mold.
The shuffler accepts your gift with skepticism and curiosity.
I'm sure it'll be fine. Will this deck of cards work?
Yes, these should do the trick. Let's see. The answer to your quandary is lost forever at the bottom of the Dead Sea.
What? I can't even swim!
Wait, oh, sorry, cards were upside down. The answer to your quandary is at the bottom left corner of a parchment wall.
Oh, cryptic.
You know it.
What did those cards say I should...
Seek the bottom left corner.
Cool. Horns, huh? They loose rock, paper, and scissors, but beat gun, for some reason. Weird. Gun beats rock, paper, and scissors, but horns beat gun? Heck yeah, scissors. Can't lose with scissors. Real talk. Anybody who tells you they like throwing paper is lying. Rock? That's too mainstream for me. I was always more of a scissors guy. Boom! Take that, silent scowling guy. You just got wrecked. Oh god, thank you for the friendly and competitive match. Please don't rip off my arms. One victory beer, please. Hey, there's a giant hole in my mug?
Yes, sir, I added that to let the beer breathe properly. It should improve mouthfeel.
Well, okay, except the beer just spilled all over the counter.
Oh, right. Liquids. Sorry, sir. I'd pour you a replacement, but we're all out.
You sure you don't have another beer back there?
Quite sure, sir. Might I interest you in a Diet Dr. Lupin? I have about 12 flavors back here.
Please, God, no. Why would anybody want credit for that? No way. If I beat that guy again, he'll kill me. No, I'd rather not. No, I'd rather not. All right, bros, let's do this.
Heck yeah, bro.
Kelvin, temporal lattice instability just fell by 30%!
No!
Kelvin, that's a good thing.
Oh. Yay!
I kind of can't believe it, but whatever you're doing is actually working.
So you're saying I can come home now and binge watch Star Snails?
What? No. We need to get you to the next temporal anomaly immediately.
But star snails.
Kelvin, you can't watch star snails if Lupin implodes the universe.
Yeah, fine. Beam in the shower or whatever.
Beaming in now. See you on the other side, Kelvin.
Ugh, drain hair.
Eat your heart out, McFly.
You there, Kelvin?
Present and accounted for.
All right, the system says you're in London now, and odds are good you're there to help Isaac Newton.
The science fiction dude.
You're thinking of Isaac Asimov.
The, violinist.
Itzhak Perlman.
Ah, the Swedish tennis player.
Kelvin, that's Bjorn Borg. Look, in 1672, Isaac Newton published groundbreaking research on the nature of optics. And after that...
Nothing else?
Bingo. Lupin must have meddled with Newton's later research somehow.
Gotcha. I'll get him back on track. Do we, know what else he might have been working on?
I have no clue, but I imagine he does. Good luck, Kelvin.
Experience the breathtaking views of the historic Reginald Skeffington Memorial Tower. Skeffington accidentally commissioned this tower in 1612 when he thought a tower was the same thing as a bowling alley. Under reparation. It's locked up tight. This book return is full of mail. I guess the postman got confused. I'll just grab a few letters. They probably weren't going to reach their destination anyway. Just a bunch of random mail.